Hi, this is Tim from Total Lockout. Followers of my LinkedIn feed will have seen a mention a few weeks ago, just before Christmas, about a project we were working on for NASA at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Naturally, the opportunity to work with an organisation such as NASA brings a lot of excitement. We've actually delivered the item to them today, and for that reason I just thought I'd share some more details about it in this short video. In many respects, a very humble design and development project. This is what we made for them. This is a push button lockout device, and when we first got the inquiry, with any inquiry of this nature, the first thing we do is look to see what existing aftermarket products already exist from the manufacturers we deal with. Masterlock have good push button lockouts, Brady have good push button lockouts. Some of the Chinese manufacturers that we have dealings with also have some good aftermarket products, albeit some of them are pretty much copycat products. So it was the case with this requirement for NASA that there was particular features they were looking for which weren't available on any of the existing products we could find. So we set about designing this for them. I guess the main issue was size. Particular push button they were looking to lock, there was none of the existing products were sufficiently large in this area here. Add to that, they wanted to be able to fix it permanently to the electrical panel that the push button was on. Now, we'd got products available that could be fixed permanently. We've got products available that were big enough, but none that did both of those features, and so that's why we set about designing this. And so this face here was going to be the area that would stick down to the fascia panel, and we were going to use a 3M industrial double-sided tape here. And NASA weren't keen on that idea. They said, we want to fix it permanently. Can you put some screw holes in it? And we said, well, the trouble with putting screws through an electrical fascia panel is sometimes when you drill and screw, the screw will penetrate into hidden cabling behind the panel. And they said, this is NASA you're talking to. We know exactly what's behind that panel, so don't worry about that. Just give us some fixing holes. So we, later iteration, I think this is an early version, we've got 3 evenly placed fixing holes to fix that to the panel. So it shuts down just like that, covers up the push button so the push button can't be pressed, and locked down with a padlock right through here. And that's it in its simplest form. And they've ordered from us the grand total of 2, a black one and a yellow one. They may need more in the future, we wait and see. Yeah, so a nice little development project for us. We may add this to our website for general use. We've allocated a part number to it. Like other product development projects we've done in the past, where it's very, very low batch, we've used this 3D printing process. It's nylon, a sintered nylon product, which it's fused from a nylon powder, and it gives you this very robust, very durable material which is fit for production purposes. We've added a security screw here on the hinge with a captive nylon nut just to create the hinge, and it also allows us to add a little bit of detail. So we've managed to add our name in here, put the part number on there for future reference. So yeah, good finished product, fit for purpose. The first 2 will be arriving at their desks in Florida towards the end of this week. So yeah, hoping for the phone call when they say, yeah, we need a load more. So if they do, great. If they don't, not a problem. But just using this opportunity to describe the project, If for other people who may be looking for something that's they've not been able to find exactly the right product they need, and potentially would like to have something made to order. So yeah, remember us, Total Lockout. Any special bespoke needs, give us a call. Thanks for watching.